Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to be making these chocolate covered strawberries, and they are covered with red velvet cake. I had some leftover cake, so we're going to start off with some cake that I've crumbled up. Some white chocolate. You definitely want to make sure that it is smooth, and I will link below where I got these little melting pots from. They are so cute, but you can use a jar, whatever you have, doesn't matter. So my strawberries are clean. I did use some vinegar to clean my strawberries. And then you want to make sure that you're drying them off completely. Now, all I had was these screwers, okay? I ain't had no toothpicks. So I would recommend using something smaller, but these actually worked out pretty fine. They were wonderful. So I put that in the middle of it and pulled the leaves back around the stick. And I dipped it in the white chocolate. So you can see me tapping my arm. That's to get the chocolate off. And as I'm tapping, you want to twist around slowly, okay? Because you don't want your chocolate dripping everywhere. You can also choose to wipe off your bottom, but I just wanted this to be fully covered in chocolate. And so the first way that I did this was I dipped them in the cake and just like rubbed it around. And as you can see, some of that chocolate fell off with the cake, okay? So we're gonna do this a different way the second time around. Well, I don't know, what was I thinking? My brain went blank. Like, it just went completely blank, okay? But I had this leftover cake because I had made a banana pudding and it had red velvet in it. You guys, delicious. Absolutely delicious. It was a red velvet banana pudding. Yeah. And I also had to use like some cream cheese frosting that I had left over from a different cake that I had did. I had to use some leftovers. Like, nothing was going to waste. And so I'm like, let me go ahead and do this too with this red velvet. And you guys, it turned out so pretty. So I'm just pressing down just a bit harder this time, and still it dripped off, right? Which is okay, because I just went ahead, since I had on gloves, and I just pressed it in. And the reason I said use toothpicks, because when I set these strawberries down, they fell backwards because those screwer sticks are so heavy. So I had to pull the stick out every time I set one down, because like they were literally falling backwards, and I didn't want my chocolate to set that way, so I took them and moved them out. So this is the way I decided to do it, and this was so much easier. I don't know why I didn't just apply it the first time. This was so much easier. I didn't have it falling off everywhere because I was able to just pack it on, because you can press down lightly but a little bit harder to make sure that it sticks and stays on the chocolate like that. So these are the strawberries, you guys. And so now I have these little foil or little pans. They did come in, I think, a 10-pack with the cute little top to go over it. Super duper cute. So I am going to put my strawberries inside of some cupcake liners, and this little tin was perfect. I think it was like a 3x8, but this tin was perfect for 8 strawberries, which is what I had made. So I decided to turn my gold ones inside out so that the gold can reflect when you look at it from the top and not from the bottom, because like it's not really going to be showing. So then I decided to do my red ones like that as well. And I just thought it was super cute that way. And then once I got finished, I'm like, oh man, I should have used all gold. But they turned out cute. They turned out so cute, you guys. So let me know, like, how are you topping your strawberries? Are you making strawberries? Do you make chocolate covered strawberries? Or do you go buy those ugly ones from Sam's Club? I hope not. But here's the top, so it just sealed on there perfectly, you guys. Thanks for watching the video. See you later.